Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this mini projector. This is a really neat projector because it actually can go up to 1080p. It could go to 4K, but then it's going to downscale it down to 1080p just because of the size. But this is a neat little projector we've got here. On the front, it's pretty plain. You've got a little infrared screen right here, and then your actual bulb. On the top, you have your power button and some controls and your arrows. And then on the back, you have all of your extra controls. So you can hook this into an HDMI, screen your computer, TV, anything that you're wanting to use for the HDMI output. You can use Wi-Fi, hook this in for your Android Play, Apple Play, and be able to take something from your phone and cast it up onto a wall. All you've got to do is hook this part in, plug it in, and then you have all of the menus that you can use. You can even access this almost like a Roku to where you show up for your Netflix. Now, before we take it down to check out the actual quality of it, I just wanted to show you some of the features. Now we do have, it can go up to a 120-inch screen with this, and it's universal connectivity. So it's Wi-Fi, USB, and HDMI. It has 18,000 lumens. So it's got a more true color and native solution that can go in here for just a brighter picture for this. I really appreciate the simplicity of this, how rounded it is and smooth. It's nice and portable that you could take it with you. By using a supplied remote that they've given you, I've actually plugged this in downstairs. This does require some batteries, so you'll need to add that in. But just to look at the remote, you've got your power button, you've got a focus button, which is fantastic. You've got a mouse button, you've got your sound, your regular controls to be able to move all around, and you're okay. You have a back button, a home button, and a menu button, and then your plus and minus. So here's your main menu. If you wanted to cast into your phone, you can iOS, so Apple, or you can do your Android. You can hook this into your computer through your HDMI. If you wanted to plug in some files, you can look at them that way, or you can go into your settings and see your different things there. Now this is how bright it is with the actual light on in the room. Now I'm going to go ahead and just show my iOS cast and get it hooked up with my phone. So now I have this playing just off of my phone, so it is just mirroring on the phone. What's actually showing up, instead of this tiny little screen, it is now on as big as 120 inches. And that's all controlled just through the internet. I've just got it wirelessly hooked up. So this is a great way to be able to watch your movies, see anything. Now, if you did want to use this as a mouse mode, you can actually just use the remote as a mouse, or you can hook in a separate mouse and be able to use it that way. This screen, the size of it, the look of it, it is all fantastic. Now, if you did want to use this as just a separate screen, where you wanted to go in and just use it as a Netflix screen, you could just go back home, hit your main button, and then in the up, down, over, and all the way around the circle, you then are going to get access to be able to see like a Roku box, which is awesome. It's connected in. You do have to go through and connect it into your internet, but you can go through and be able to see all of your devices and things through Netflix. I'm going to go ahead and click off the lights so you can see just how great this is in the dark. So now, once we've accessed this, you can actually go in and use your Netflix or your Hulu. You can watch any shows that you want to watch and make that huge. Whatever you want to watch anywhere on your screen, just by your actual projector. Use it like a remote, and now you've got yourself a big screen TV, big computer. You can use it indoor, outdoor. Like I said, with the lighting, it makes it brighter when it's dark, but it still works really great, even in the light. So this is a really nice projector that does a great job connecting in on the internet, and it has many different functions to be able to produce an outstanding quality picture.